Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on repertory. I am Dr. Kedarnath A. Lungani. I am a MD homeopath. I am practicing homeopathy in Pune for more than 25 years. Today we are going to see one of the latest and modern repertory. The name of the repertory is Synthesis Repertory. This repertory is edited by Dr. Frederick Schroyens from Belgium in collaboration with leading homeopaths all over the world. This one is a 9-1 edition. The first version of this book came out in 1987. It was a computer program, Radar. Fifth version onwards, this was made available in book or print form due to demand by homeopaths all over the world. Synthesis is the printed version of Radar. Radar means Rapid Aid to Drug Aim Research. Synthesis is the product of continuous teamwork and superb technology. This repertory contains repeated check additions from different homeopathic literature. The sources are mentioned in abbreviated form towards the end of each remedy. It gives authenticity to this repertory. This repertory is mainly based on 6th American Kent edition. It contains all its rubrics and the medicines. Even the philosophical background is same as that of Kent. This repertory contains total 38 chapters. It starts from mind and ends with generals. This repertory contains 2373 medicines, 2373 medicines, which are quite substantial in number. Let's see the synthesis repertory in detail.
Synthesis Repertory by Dr. Frederick Schroyens. This is a cover page of Synthesis Repertory. The edition is 9-1. Now we will see biography. Dr. Frederick Schroyens was born on 12 Jan 1953 in Mechelen, Belgium. In 1977, he did his medical graduation from State University of Ghent, Belgium. In 1978, he did graduate 1-year training course from Faculty of Homeopathy in London, M.F. Homeopathy. He was one of the first user of Radar in 1986. He was enthusiastic about increasing possibilities computer science offers to homeopathy. Because of his dedication to the program, he became the homeopathic coordinator of the Radar program. He has assisted George Widelkos and has accompanied him in his seminars. In 1993, he edited printed version of Synthesis. Dr. Schroyens had lectures on Radar and on homeopathy all over world. Now we will see introduction. Synthesis Repertory is the product of superb technology and continuous teamwork. It is the printed version of Radar computer program. It is one of the latest and modern repertory. This repertory has put a new standard by adding many information and continuous verification by its user. It is based on 6th American edition of Kent's repertory. Synthesis 9.1 is useful repertory. The repertory which started its journey as an updated Kent's repertory has now become so much more. Synthesis repertory includes information on nearly all medicines, clinical information from a variety of established sources, data from work of Hahnemann, Boninghassen, Bogar, Fatak, and many others. The best part is that synthesis comes with a utility CD, which adds to the beauty of the book while retaining quality of the book. The print size has been reduced slightly to make the book handier. The book follows the same schema as used in earlier version, but with some useful changes like restructuring and streamlining of rubrics are done in Synthesis 9.1. Now we will see evolution of synthesis repertory. The synthesis repertory is linked to radar. Radar means Rapid Aid to Drug Aim Research. Synthesis history starts from Jean Fischfeld. He was the professor of mathematics in the Department of Computer Science, University of Namur, Belgium. He became interested in homeopathy after the miraculous cure of his son by homeopathic medicines. He initially gathered few homeopaths of Belgium and developed radar as a research project at the University of Namur in 1986 under his supervision. Dr. Frederick Schroens became the homeopathic coordinator for radar project. Dr. Frederick Schroens and his team sent charter to all leading homeopaths who were concerned with evolution of homeopathy through the software version. This initial step triggered the enthusiasm of homeopaths all over globe, and quickly small group became an organization of international level represented by professionals and dedicated people. Since 1987, Synthesis has been used as database for radar program. Synthesis repertory is mainly based on 6th American edition. Kent repertory was improved again and again by many additions and corrections and developed Synthesis as high quality book. Synthesis repertory contains all the rubrics and medicines of Kent repertory. The repertory has been improved qualitatively in structure and language to make it more comprehensive and to facilitate easy reference at the time of needed. On request of many homeopaths, Synthesis was made available in print form. Now we will see different editions. The first version came out in 1987. Synthesis was used as database for radar project. Version 2 came out in April 1988. Version 3 came out in September 1990. This version contains 136,000 additions from 130 authors compared to Kent's original repertory. Version 4 came out in December 1992. It contained 178,000 additions from 200 authors. Synthesis 5X, German edition, was published in 1993. English edition was published in February 1994. Indian edition came out in March 1996. Dutch edition in April 1994 with only Mind chapter. This version was first time printed in book form. Synthesis 6, German edition in August 1995. Synthesis 7.1, English edition in July 1997. It contains 235,000 additions from 330 different sources. Synthesis 8.0, in February 2002. It has 3031 author references and 4220 medicine references. Synthesis 9 in November 2003. Synthesis 9.1 in June 2004. We will see philosophical background of synthesis repertory. Synthesis repertory is mainly based on 6th American edition. It contains all its rubrics and medicines. Its philosophy is based on Kant's philosophy, means from generals to particulars. It follows deductive logic. We'll see plan and construction. In synthesis repertory, chapters are arranged as that of Kant's repertory. The chapters are based on anatomical division with certain exceptions which are as follows. The first section is on mind and the last one is on generals. So it starts from mind and ends with generals. Discharges, for example, stool, sweat, expectoration, and urine appears as a separate section next to anatomical region producing them. Certain general conditions such as vertigo, cough, sleep, chill and fever appears also as a separate sections. This repertory is divided into 38 chapters, dream being a new chapter. Now we will see the division of chapters. Division of chapters starts with mind, vertigo, head, eye, and the last chapters are chill, fever, perspiration, skin, generals. All together 38 chapters are there. Arrangement of rubric. Under each section, rubrics are given in alphabetical order. General arrangement of rubrics in each chapter is that of Kant's repertory, which is as follows. Arrangement of rubric is as follows. First, side, then time, modalities, extension, localization, description of pain, other descriptions. Gradation. Bold and capital, 4 marks, first grade. Bold small, 3 marks, second grade. Italics, 2 marks, third grade. Ordinary Roman, 1 mark, first grade. So, bold and capital 4 marks, bold small 3 marks, italics 2 marks, ordinary Roman 1 mark. Sources of synthesis repertory. Synthesis repertory is primarily and mainly based on Kent's repertory. Other sources that were added are as follows. Different authentic repertories like Bogar Bonninghassen's Characteristics Repertory, BBCR, O.E. Borik's Repertory, Phatak's Repertory, and others. Then, different materia medica of some classical authors like Hahnemann, Herring Encyclopedia, Roberts Sensation Azip, Clark's Dictionary, Phatak's Materia Medica, Kent's Materia Medica, Allen's Encyclopedia, William Borik's Materia Medica, Tyler's Drug Picture, etc. Then, some clinical observation from different authentic living authorities. Then, new provings from reliable sources like Louis Klein, Jeremy Sher, Nuala Ising, etc. We'll see adaptability. Which type of cases suitable with synthesis repertory? Number 1. Any case rich in generals and characteristic particulars. Number 2. A case having only characteristic particulars too can be repertorized by synthesis. Number 3. Almost any type of totality can be repertorized by using synthesis. Now we will see merits of synthesis repertory. This repertory is based on Kantian philosophy, so it is very easy to use as most of us are quite acquainted with Kant's repertory. Kant's repertory is also users-friendly. Plan and construction is planned according to Hahnemannian schema, so it is easy to search rubric. This repertory follows the method of repertorization same as that of Kant's repertory. In this repertory, additions are repeatedly checked, so synthesis contains repeatedly checked additions from standard homeopathic literature including Dr. Hahnemann, Kent, Herring, Allen, Borik, Nair, etc. Additions from other living authorities have been included only after proper verification. In this repertory, corrections of Kant's repertory are done. These corrections are recognized by indicating K in inverted comma. For example, delusion dash starve he must dash the medicine given calichlor is corrected to delusion dash starve he must calimur, and in front of that you will find HR1 and inverted comma K. Here HR1 means here corrected source is Herring guiding symptom of our materia medica. In this way, thousands of corrections have been made. Sixth one. Symptoms are rewritten in clearly readable format. Many symptoms are rewritten in proper readable symptom format. For better comprehension, at each level, the word follows each other in normal order or the symptom is split with the indicated sign double inverted comma to show the place from which one should start reading. For example, double inverted comma, pieces, comma, sensation as if head would fall in when stooping, inverted comma complete. It is correctly written as inverted comma, pieces, on stooping, sensation as if head would fall in, double inverted comma complete. Seventh one, combined modalities are applied throughout synthesis, such as aggravation from cold wet weather. It would be searched as weather dash cold dash wet, but never under cold dash damp dash weather and damp dash cold dash weather. Eighth one, more medicines are there in synthesis repertory than previous repertories. Ninth one, the repertory is rich in cross references. 10th one, clarification of ambiguous word. Ambiguous words have been clarified wherever necessary. For example, breast have been replaced by mammae or chest, and storm by stormy weather or thunderstorm. 11th one, creation of some rubrics. Some more important and useful rubrics are created so that more appropriateness of the meaning of the symptoms can be achieved, such as periodicity, children. 12th one, revision of language. Correction of some 19th century spelling have been corrected by modern American spelling like anemia. The spelling is ANAEMIA, is corrected as ANEMIA. Then diarrhea, DIARRHOEA, is corrected as DIARRHEA. Then feces, FAECES, is corrected as FECES. 13.1. All data are collected from reliable sources. The sources are indicated in abbreviated form towards the end of each remedy. For every new addition, references are provided. 14.1. All symptoms with elements from have been grouped in separate sub-rubrics under the rubric Elements from. 15th one, aversion, desire, aggravation, amelioration related to food are placed under rubric Food and Drinks in the chapter Generals. 16. Several clinical rubrics are renamed. Clinical conditions are renamed according to modern disease name. For example, hay fever for coryza annual, decubitus for skin becomes sore. 17th one, all dreams are present in a separate chapter dream following sleep. 18th one, similar rubrics are merged into one, such as nose, obstruction, alternating sides. It is corrected into nose obstruction, one side alternately. 19. Use of leading words. Leading words have been placed in front of each level and alphabetically sorting were corrected accordingly. For example, in bed becomes bed in, as if frozen becomes frozen as if. 20th point. Formation of complete and clear symptoms. Insufficiently clear symptoms became much more completed on the basis of knowledge of materia medica. For example, cough, dash, sulfur fumes, or vapor sensation of aggravation becomes cough, dash, sulfur fumes, or vapors, comma, cough aggravation by sensation of. The drug mentioned are arsenic, lycopodium, and ignatia. 21 point. Use of more comprehensible words. Seldom used words have been replaced by contemporary words for better understanding. For example, dipsomania became alcoholism. Childbed became delivery after. 22nd. New standard list of remedy abbreviations. A new standard list of remedy abbreviation is presented. Many new remedies have been added. All abbreviations are following the same rule used by Kent. The differences between abbreviations of synthesis and those used so far in Kent or in Barthel's repertory are printed in the beginning of this book. The full list and all comments follow at the end. 23rd point. Index of important changes and corrections. All changes have been annotated with great care in order to allow verification. Thousands of references and synonyms have been incorporated where a change was made to well rubrics or remedies. When it was not possible to indicate the change, the corrections was mentioned in the index of important changes and corrections, which can be found in the end of this repertory. 24th point. Constant update is going on to make this repertory perfect. 25th point. New rubrics are created in chapter of generals. Rubrics on different pathological conditions, poisoning, complexion, children complaints, physical makeup, vaccination after, laboratory findings, etc. These rubrics are very useful and they are the gem of this repertory. 26 point. Rubrics on moon phases, periodicity, family history, personal history are the unique creation of this repertory. Now we will see special features of synthesis 9.0 and 9.1. First one, streamlining and restructuring. How has this issue been addressed in synthesis 9.1? In the past, all the symptoms of the pain sections, the description of pain was always on level 3. For example, eye pain dash burning, morning. In synthesis 9.1, pain description have been moved to the last level of the symptom. The above symptom therefore becomes eye dash pain dash rubbing dash amelioration dash burning. Eye pain rubbing amelioration foreign body as from. Then eye, pain, rubbing, amelioration, pressing pain. Then eye, pain, rubbing, amelioration, sand as from. In all these, you will find pain description at the last level of the symptom. The restructuring increases the number of remedy choices for thousands of modalities, side, time, extension, and localizations. In order to achieve these drastic changes, it had to be preceded by another step, a thorough streamlining of all symptoms. For example, in synthesis 9.0, head, pain, cutting, cold air aggravation, or head, pain, tearing, air cold from. If we restructure, it will become head, pain, cold air, aggravation, cutting, or head, pain, air cold from, tearing. If we streamline the modality cold air aggravation throughout the repertory into cold-air-aggravation before undertaking restructuring, in synthesis 9.1, the above rubric have become head dash pain dash cold dash air dash aggravation dash cutting, or head, pain, cold, air, aggravation, tearing. Second point, 3 new chapters are added: neck, urinary organ, and male and female sex genitalia. Third point, the down arrow following a remedy indicates that this remedy is copied from a similar sub-rubric. Fourth point, a black dot following a remedy indicates that remedy is added either because of a more recent or because of a lesser known author. Fifth point, the number of annotated corrections has increased to 707. Sixth one, synthesis 9.1 has 1,66,987 remedy occurrences and 1,77,453 author occurrences. Seventh point, mind chapter now starts with division of time, like daytime, morning, night. Eighth point, the generality chapter is named as generals. Ninth one, aversion, desire, aggravation, ameliorations related to food are placed under rubric food and drinks in the chapter generals. 10th one, all the information from Bonninghausen and Bogar are added. 11th one, the repertories of Boric and Phatak have been integrated into synthesis 9.0. 12th one, the information on magnets introduced by Bonninghausen but kept out of repertory by Allen and Kent have been added again. The drugs are Magnetis polus arctus, Magnetis polus australis, and Magnetis polyambi. 13th one, the actual catalogue of author describes 3827 bibliographical references and synthesis 9.1 uses 886 of them. 14th one, number of medicines. Synthesis 9.1 version is the latest one and contains 2373 medicines, 2373 remedies. The actual catalog of remedy offers 4497 standardized remedy names and abbreviations. Total number of pages are 2090. 16 point. More than 10,600 additions have been made on the basis of the popular book. Clinical Observation of Children Remedies by Farooq Master. 17th one. Synthesis 9.1 come with following additional information as compared to Synthesis 9.0. The major new remedies in Synthesis 9.1 not present in Synthesis 9.0 are Ancestrodon P, Baylis perennis S, Bothrops A, Chlamydia T, Heroinum, Loxosceles, Lignum NH, Oxyuranus S, Thipine snake, Petroleum R, Spectrum, Taosca aqua, Thallium, Tresciovenus A, and the last one is the Holy Ibis. Now we will see Mind chapter. Important rubrics. More rubrics and medicines are added in the chapter Mind in comparison of Kent's repertory. Mind chapter of Kent repertory contains 529 rubrics. Mind chapter of Synthesis repertory contains 848 rubrics. We will see few important rubrics. Mind chapter. Elements from. First we will see anger. The drug mentioned are chamomilla, naxomica, staphysagaria. Next, bad news. Elements from bad news. The drug mentioned is chalcemium. Then elements from homesickness. The drug mentioned are capsicum, acid phos. Elements from injuries, especially mental symptoms. The drug mentioned is natrum sulf. Elements from love disappointment. The drug mentioned are Ignatia natramur. Now we will see generals. Important rubrics. In Kent repertory there are 245 rubrics in generalities, whereas in Synthesis it is 780 rubrics. The following exclusive rubrics are here. Food and drinks. For example, Fursan. So Fursan aggravation drug mention is lachesis. Fursan amelioration drug mention is naxomica. Fursan aversion drug mention is China. And the Fursan desire drug mention are aurum, Calcarea carb, Calcarea phos, Midorinum, natrum carb, natrum mur, nitric acid, naxomica, pulsatilla and sulfur. Same under the food and drinks. Now we will see idli. So idli desire. The drug mentioned are Calcarea carb and sulfur. The next one is a papadum. Papadum aggravation naxomica. Papadum aversion is lyco. Papadum desire. The drug mentioned are arsenic, China, macphos, midorhinum, mercsol and naxomica. Next you will find fried. So fried papad desire, the drug mentioned is naxomica. Roasted papad, the drug mentioned is arsenic alb. Now we will see generals pathological and clinical conditions. One is Alzheimer's disease. The drug mentioned are Illumina, Cordyceps, Helleborus, Nuxomica, and Zincum. Then you will find next rubric Amebiasis. The drug mentioned is Emetinum. The next Down syndrome. The drug mentioned are carcinosins, Morgan P, pertussinum, Toxoplasma gondii. The next condition is leukemia. The drug mentioned are Hecla, Natrum urs, Natrum sulf, and Symphytum. The next one is a varicose veins. The drug mentioned are Arnica, Calcarea carb, Carbovage, Hamamelis, Lycopus V, and Pulsatilla. Now we'll see generals laboratory findings. Here you will find creatinine increase. The drug mentioned are cortiso, lycopodium, morphinum, opium, phosphorus, picric acid, serum A. The next one is electrocardiograph. In ECG, the PR interval prolonged. The drug mentioned is Strophanthus S. Then hemoglobin decrease. The drug mentioned are Calcarea urs, Ferrum phos, Lecithinum, and X-ray. Leukocytes increase. The drug mentioned are Antipyrinum, Baryta iode, Baryta mur, Benzol, Cortico, Ergot, Histaminum, Latrodectus M, Natrum mur, Tuberculinum, and X-ray. The next one is a platelet decrease. The drug mentioned are Baylis P, Colchicum, Crotalus H, Iodum, Creosote, Latrodectus, Penicillinum, and X-ray. The next one is a sperm count low. The drug mentioned are Aurummate, Carboanimalis, Conium, Iodum, Midorinum, Pituitarinum, Staphysagarria, Testis, Tocopherolum, and X-ray. The last one is a urea increase. The drug mentioned is carcinosin. Now we'll see generals, rubric, family history. So family history of asthma, the drug mentioned are Bacillinum, carcinosin, Lycopodium, Midorinum, Mercsol, Natrum sulf, Sorinum, sulfur, Thyroidinum, and Tuberculinum. Family history of diabetes. The drug mentioned are carcinosin, Saccharum, Officinale, and Thuja. Family history of gonorrhea. The drug mentioned are Midorinum and Thuja. Family history of heart disease. The drug mentioned is Midorinum. Family history of hemiplegia. Drug mentioned is Varitum V. Family history of suicidal deaths. The drug mentioned are carcinosin and syphilinum. Generals. Important rubrics. Rubrics on complexion. Here you will find dark complexion, fair complexion, etc. So dark complexion, the drug mentioned are causticum, calicab, nitric acid, rustox, platina. In fair complexion, drug mentioned are Calcarea carb, petroleum, phosphorus, pulsatilla, and spongia. Then rubrics on moon phases. Here you will find full moon, new moon, waning moon, waxing moon. Then rubrics on personal history, abortion, antibiotic use of, abscess recurrent of, birth trauma of, bite of animals, gonorrhea, etc. Then you will find rubrics on periodicity, day, alternate day, fourth day, 10th day, hour, week, month, year, etc. Then you will find rubrics on physical makeup. Here you will find lean people, obesity, emaciation. In lean people, you will find drug calcarea phos, CKL, sulfur. In calcarea phos, we know it is a phosphate of lime. It is suited to anemic and dark complexion persons with dark hair and eyes, thin subjects instead of fat. In sickle core, which is adapted to women of thin, scrawny, feeble, cachectic appearance, irritable and nervous temperament, pale, sunken, feeble persons you will find in sickle core. In sulfur, lean, stoop shoulder, who walk and sit stooping, walk stooping like a old man. Here it ends with our lecture on synthesis repertory.
Thank you everyone for listening lecture on synthesis repertory. To get more knowledge about homeopathy, please keep in touch with us by following and subscribing our YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again in the next video.